Hey Pash Fam, it's Paula, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how to plan using an undated passion planner. So to be honest with all of you, I didn't know undated planning was a thing, and I have been planning since as long as I can remember. It's maybe like 3 years ago that I learned that undated passion planning, or planning in general, was popular, but I'm going to be talking to you about the benefits of undated planning and the basic structure of the undated passion planner. All right, so let's get into the benefits of the undated passion planner. And an undated planner is a planner without dates in it. You have the freedom to fill in the months and the days, and the primary advantage of this is that you don't have to plan every day. And that's the huge thing that I want to cover in this video, is just because you don't plan every day doesn't mean that you're not a planner person. And I cover that in the blog that I wrote. We're gonna link it in the description. But planning doesn't mean that you have to track every single thing that you do, or that you have to spend hours at your desk planning your week, your month, etc. With the undated passion planner, you really have the flexibility to choose. You can skip 3 weeks of planning and you don't feel guilty about it because there's no dates in it. And I think that's why the undated passion planner is a favorite of so many people in our community. Another advantage of using the undated passion planner is that it provides a detailed breakdown of your goals while still giving you the flexibility of the pace that you want to go and pursue them. So there's the passion roadmap, there's monthly reflections, a monthly layout, and there are a lot of different sections in the planner itself to help you stay intentional with the goals that you're pursuing while being at a pace that feels sustainable for you. The last reason why the Pash Fam loves using the undated passion planner, and all passion planners to be honest, is how customizable it is. It's really easy to personalize each of the layouts. If you ever want to get more ideas, you can hop to our Instagram. We post all kinds of inspiration for you to use your planner, but we also have free PDFs that you can use to supplement your experience. And that's the thing about passion planning. It's very personal to you. You'll find some people are really into color coding, some people are really into stickers and washi tape, and for others, pen and paper is more than good enough. So really try and hone in on what your personal style is, and there's plenty of space in any of the passion planners really, but especially the undated, to find what your personal expression of planning is. Okay, so let's get into how to actually use the undated passion planner as it was meant to be used. All passion planners, including the undated, has the passion roadmap, and this is what makes passion planner what it is. You are asked if you could be anything, do anything, or have anything, what would it be? And you brainstorm all of those goals and all of those dreams. You break it down into what we call a game changer, or the goal that's going to make the most positive impact on your life right now. You set smaller goals from that one game changer, and then you schedule it into your weeks and your months. So when you get your passion planner, I highly recommend that you don't do anything else until you do the passion roadmap. And this is how you elevate regular planning to passion planning, is when you begin to include in your schedule what actually really matters to you versus beginning with your to-do list or beginning with your responsibilities or obligations. Your passions come first when it comes to passion planning. Now that you have your game changer broken down into actionable steps, you're gonna move on into the monthly layouts. And the undated passion planner is a little bit different than the annual passion planners because all of the monthly layouts and reflections are grouped at the beginning of the planner. In the dated one, they're all separated from January, February, throughout the planner, etc., but they're all grouped at the beginning in the undated passion planner. On the monthly page, you'll see at the top it says month of and then a blank spot, so you can write down whatever month you want to plan. And all of the boxes are blank, so you can choose whatever the dates are for that particular month. And you do have the option of choosing a Monday or Sunday start with your undated planner, just as you can with our dated planners. There are multiple sections on the monthly layout as well. You'll find on the left side, there's a monthly focus for your work and personal life. There's a people to see category, a places to go category, and there's a things to learn section, work and personal to-do lists on the bottom left, and then a blank space at the bottom right, which you can use either for creating another game changer goal for the month or for whatever you want, which includes using any of our free PDFs on our website or creating your own trackers. It's all completely up to you, but that is the monthly layout in a nutshell. Right after the monthly layouts, you'll find the monthly reflection. And on the reflection, there's a series of questions asking you who or what you are grateful for, what were the most memorable parts of your month, how you want to improve for the next month, and so on and so forth. Now, it's all lined, which means you can write in it, but plenty of our Pash fam use this space for scrapbooking, or they use trackers. It's completely up to you. As I said, Passion Planner, there's so many different ways to customize and personalize this. We're just giving you the basics so that you understand how to use it. And then once you get a hang of it, you can really begin to make it your own. The last part of the Undated Planner that we're focusing on today is the weekly layouts. And this is really where the magic happens for a lot of people because it's very present in your week. All of the to-do list items are coming from your passion roadmap. So it's really about applying your dreams on a regular daily basis in your current reality. The way the weekly layout is designed is very detailed. So you're able to break down those goals even further so that, something that may seem very daunting in the beginning when you set it in your passion roadmap becomes a little bit more accessible because you're taking it bite-sized pieces at a time. So here are all of the different sections that you have in the weekly layout. You have your weekly focus on the top left. You have daily focuses throughout the week. You'll also notice that there are no dates here, so you get to choose which, based on whatever the month is. The left side, you'll also find good things that happen for you to reflect on memories made or what you are grateful for that week, completely up to you. Bottom left, there's also personal and work to-do lists. It's even broken up into errands and priority, depending on how you want to use that space. And then the bottom right is the space of infinite possibility, which is exactly as it's named. You can use it again for trackers or just a space to jot down notes or brainstorm. Dealer's choice. You get to choose what's going to work the best for you. This is also one of the most customized and personalized pages of the Passion Planner. So when you do visit our Instagram or our blog, you'll notice that this page is one of the most popular to show. So find ideas for what inspires you to engage with your planner in a more meaningful and personalized way. You're more than welcome to use the Undated Planner as it's designed, daily, every other week, whatever, but just going to give you a few creative tips on how to use it that may be not as apparent when you first get it. So the first tip is to separate your work and personal life using the monthly and weekly format. So because all of the monthly layouts are at the front of the Undated Planner, you're actually able to separate different calendars a little bit easier. So use your weekly for work and write down all of the details of the meetings that you need to go to, assignments that you need to get ready and turn in, or whatever else that you need to worry about for your job. And that way your monthly layout can just be reserved for your personal life. This tip is for all of you teachers and students out there. For the weekly layouts, you can actually separate them by subject. So one week can be math, and the next week can be English, and the last week can be, anthropology. And you can even color code each page so you can easily tell which one is for which class. But I don't know about you, when I was at school, all of my assignments kind of felt all jumbled up on one page because there's so many different things to worry about. But when you designate each weekly spread to a specific course, it's a lot easier to manage your assignments. Final tip for you all is to use your weekly layouts for when you're especially busy, and using your monthly layouts when you have a little bit more leisure time or there's not as much for you to track. This might be useful for students as well because you're busy for 3/4 of the year, but during the summer and during parts of the winter time, you're not really tracking assignments. There's not much to write in your planner. So use that section, the monthly section, to, plan fun get-togethers with family or things that you like to do in your free time, and then save the weekly layout for when you're going to be busier or you're going to anticipate that you're going to need those to-do lists and you're going to need that extra space to get all of your assignments or get all of your tasks done. And that's all I have for you today, Pash Fam. Do you use the Undated Passion Planner? Let us know in the comments. Even if you don't use an Undated Passion Planner, let us know why you like using the specific planner that you use. I know in times like this, maybe a dated is not working for everyone, so you're shifting over to an undated. I recently shifted from the dated to the daily, so anything can change, anything can happen. There's a passion planner for everybody out there, and that's what we're here for. We're really about helping you make and live the most intentional life that you can. Until next time, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.